Good evening, everyone, and welcome back to yet another Leverage Edu live session. The topic that we'll be discussing today is why is psychology the most trending course abroad? I am Mahima Binder, and I am a head coach with the Leverage Edu team here. If you are someone who wants to pursue the same, stay tuned and keep watching. So the topic that we'll be covering today in this session are what is psychology and the basic requirements for a master's degree, what are the best courses and the countries to pursue this program abroad, and the job prospects. Broadly speaking, psychology is the study of human behavior and the mind. It is one of the most interesting topics of study because it has numerous branches that you can specialize in. If you are someone who's keen on helping someone cope with their emotions or mental health, then psychology is the right program for you. So, as I said, since psychology is the branch of behavioral science, right, and it is the area of study related to the mind, the requirements here slightly differ, right? For you to be eligible to pursue a master's in psychology, you will need to have a bachelor's degree in the same field. Apart from this, all your other basic requirements like your transcripts and your English exams, like the IELTS or the TOEFL scores, are needed. Now, moving on to the different majors of psychology that you can specialize in, there are different degrees like you have MSc Mental Health, you have Clinical Psychology, Counseling Psychology, Educational Psychology, Social and Developmental Psychology. So, I would say that the best countries to study psychology are UK, Australia, Canada, Germany, and Italy. And I would say that the best universities to pursue psychology, starting off with the UK, are you have Cambridge, you have Oxford, you have University College London, you have King's College, and the University of Edinburgh. These are mainly research-based universities that have a separate behavioral science department as well. There is a lot of focus on research and behavioral sciences here. Moving on to the US, we have the top schools for psychology again we have the top schools like Harvard, there's Stanford, there's UCLA, UC Berkeley. As I've stated previously as well, since the US is an extremely large country, there are different courses and there are different schools that you can look at for this program. Moving on to Australian schools, Australia is also very well known for psychology related programs. You have the Australian University of Psychology, you have Macquarie University, you have University of Sydney and the University of Melbourne, where you can look out for these courses. Now, moving on, post your masters, right, you have a plethora of roles that you can begin working with. So you have different jobs in different sectors, right from the government sector to the business and management sector and into the healthcare sector as well. So if you're looking at jobs in the public and the governmental sector, you can work as a human resource analyst, you can work as a social service manager, you have roles like an employment counselor or even a program manager. Moving on, in areas of mental health and development, right, you can also work with public healthcare, with the public healthcare of the government, for example, the NHS in the UK. So you can work as a clinical psychologist, a behavioral counselor, a family services worker, or even as in child protection services. Moving on, in the areas of business and marketing, you have again a wide variety of roles that you can look at. You can work as a market research manager, market research specialist, public relations executive, HR specialist, and a lot more. Lastly, it is very important to understand that many of these jobs, many of the roles, as I stated above, you are able to find jobs without the title of a psychologist. The reason being that the term psychology and psychologist is mainly for individuals who already hold a PhD degree or a psychology bachelor's degree. So keeping in mind all these factors, I think psychology is again a well opted for program. As I said, psychology is an area of study which lets you study in depth, gives you a good amount of research. So I would say that this obviously brings us to the end of this session. If you have any more questions related to the branch of psychology or any area of study related to psychology or any other behavioral science for that matter, feel free to reach out to us at leverageedu.com, and you can drop us a message here. Our team will directly reach out to you and we can get your process started. And just one more thing, it's not just psychology. If you are interested in starting off your study abroad journey, feel free to reach out to us. And also stay tuned for more insightful content, and I will see you next time with a new video. Signing off. Thank you.